Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already need manage server or administrator permissions. Without them, you cannot proceed. Open Discord on desktop or in a browser and go to server settings because the audit log is only accessible there. Once inside, make sure to pause or disconnect any logging bots or webhooks that would immediately recreate entries. This prevents conflicts. Now, click Audit Log on the left. You will see entries sorted by time, so you can start locating the actions you intend to remove. You will use the filters first, choose action type, then user, and narrow by date so you don't scroll forever. Once you locate a suspicious or unwanted record, click it to reveal the full details and copy any relevant ID or timestamps. This helps with accountability. Make sure you document the reason for deletion in an internal log, because audit logs exist to track changes. Removing entries affects server transparency. If removal is approved, prepare to act quickly and carefully. To delete, you typically rely on a moderation bot or the Discord API. You cannot edit Discord's native audit log entries through the UI. Bots can remove related content or reverse actions. Once done, restore permissions and re-enable allowed integrations, because leaving them off breaks automation. If the operation fails, check role hierarchy first, then inspect API rate limits and bot intents. These are the usual culprits. Finally, keep one troubleshooting tip. If you
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.